Hello and welcome to the enrichment portion of today's lesson. You're here because you mastered this skill during the regular part of the lesson and you're ready to move on to some new, more challenging things. We're going to quickly review what multiplication is. So, for instance, I would use multiplication to solve a problem like this. Here's Dion, and we know that Dion, looking like a smiley person that he is, Dion has 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. In each bag, Dion has 3 apples. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In each bag, he has 3 apples. Okay. So I know, let's talk about what I know. I know that Dion has some bags, and he has some apples. Those bags are groups, and the apples are in each group. So this is a group, this is a group, this is a group, and this is a group in each group. Okay. So the question is, how many apples does Dion have? Take a minute and I want you to look at that and see what you can do to figure that out. Well, I could just add them up, or I could count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that's going to take a long time, especially when I get to bigger numbers. So I know that I can use repeated addition. I can add those numbers. Or I can multiply. So let's talk about both of those. If I'm going to add, I'm going to be adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I can just do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Or I could multiply. I could say that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, 4, and I've got 3 in each group. So it's 4 times 3. It's 3 4 times, or 4 3 times. Either way, I'm going to add them up. So let's count them up. I've got 3 and 3 is 6. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 and 6, it's a double. I know it's 12. And it's the same thing for this one. That is multiplication. You had groups, and you had a number in each group, and that's how you did your multiplication. So let's move on from Dion, and I'm going to give you 2 challenging problems. If you're ready, say I'm ready. Well, you're by yourself in your house or somewhere, but still you can say I'm ready. Okay. So we're moving on from Dion. We're going to look at another example. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to give you 2 different problems. All right, so our first problem is going to be up here. We've got Elora. Here's Elora. Looking excellent. And Elora has 5 friends. And each friend has $10. They want to go to the movies, and the movies cost $40. Do they have enough money? All right, that's your first problem. Pause it, and I want you to work through it. All right, now that you're back, I've got another problem for you. This problem features another person with an awesome name. This person's name is Liz. Liz has this cool curly hair thing going on up here. Liz has 6 cats. Each cat kills 7 mice. How many mice do the cats kill? So in both, that's your target question. Go ahead and work on solving them, and I'm really excited to see what you do with them. When you're done with that, you can then move on to work on the enrichment portion of today's lesson. Go ahead and get started.